thin concrete slab was unable to support the heavy truck's weight and collapsed rapidly, illustrating the importance of using properly engineered materials for load-bearing structures. It is noteworthy that a piece of firewood was repurposed as an improvised tire, demonstrating an unconventional yet resourceful solution in a challenging situation. The truck, which was empty at the time, encountered a slippery surface and slid down the hill in a controlled manner, underscoring the impact of road conditions on vehicle dynamics. The machinery suffered an electrical malfunction. However, the adjacent sports car remained undamaged, highlighting the critical need for proper electrical system maintenance. When a truck is overloaded, ascending an incline becomes extremely challenging, much like a heavyweight athlete struggling to climb a steep mountain, thereby emphasizing the importance of adhering to load capacity limits. Overloading a vehicle can easily lead to tipping, as demonstrated by this red truck, which reinforces the necessity of maintaining proper weight distribution for safe operation. The crane arm on this large vessel shows significant oxidation, resulting in a deformed structure, which underlines the need for regular maintenance and timely repairs. A chain reaction caused these red dump trucks to topple over, highlighting the critical importance of secure load handling and stability during transport. The driver's failure to secure the rear door of the truck's cargo hold resulted in it detaching and moving independently, posing a serious safety hazard to other road users. The operator of the grass cutter lost balance on an incline due to excessive leaning, causing both him and the machine to fall. Fortunately, there were no injuries, but it serves as a reminder to follow safe operating procedures. Overhanging branches require timely trimming to prevent interference with vehicles, thereby reducing the risk of potential accidents on the road. Although the three-wheeler nearly experienced a significant spin-out, it ultimately completed a controlled rotation, demonstrating the importance of vehicle stability and proper driving techniques. The truck driver's quick reflexes ensured the safety of both his own vehicle and those around him, emphasizing the value of attentiveness and prompt reaction in driving. The bus performed a 180-degree maneuver with precision. However, such actions should only be executed in controlled environments to ensure public safety. The unstable cargo was at risk of toppling over, which underscores the critical importance of proper weight distribution and secure loading in freight transportation. The truck's windshield was severely compromised, resembling a deformed soda can, yet a small figure managed to enter the cabin and take control, highlighting the necessity for emergency protocols and rapid response measures. Safe driving extends beyond mere rule compliance. It involves fostering a culture of responsibility and mindfulness among all road users. The red car's sudden change in direction, likely due to a momentary distraction, serves as a reminder to remain vigilant at all times, particularly when larger vehicles are in close proximity. In this incident, both vehicles contributed to the error. One driver was distracted, while the other failed to yield, demonstrating the importance of maintaining full attention on the road. The motorcyclist's decision to enter oncoming traffic resulted in a minor collision with a car, underscoring the dangers of risky maneuvers and the need for adherence to traffic regulations. Shortly, the owner of the concrete mixer truck will notice the absence of an important chute, reinforcing the necessity for regular equipment inspections and maintenance. the white Honda Civic became involved in a minor freeway collision, which highlights the potential hazards present in high-speed traffic environments. The truck attempted to reverse on a one-way highway in an effort to reposition itself, a maneuver that defies standard traffic regulations and raises significant safety concerns. The blue truck deviated from its intended route and ended up in a ditch, illustrating the potential consequences of losing vehicular control. The likely cause for both tires detaching was loose lug nuts, emphasizing the importance of regular maintenance and proper tightening of wheel components. Fortunately, an excavator operator accompanying the truck was prepared to assist in stabilizing the situation, demonstrating the value of being equipped to respond to emergencies. A Scania truck that had toppled over was subsequently recovered by a mobile crane, which underscores the critical role of emergency response equipment in mitigating road incidents. The large water tank truck struggled to ascend a steep incline, an incident that highlights the challenges associated with transporting heavy loads on uneven terrain. The truck's performance, marked by noticeable strain, serves as a reminder of the importance of ensuring that vehicles are properly maintained to handle demanding conditions. Onlookers observed the incident with concern, questioning whether the truck had been overloaded, a situation that reinforces the need for strict adherence to weight limits to prevent accidents. The crane made direct contact with a nearly completed building. Although the impact was significant, it might have been preferable to a complete structural collapse, emphasizing the need for rigorous construction site safety protocols. Neglecting to engage the parking brake before leaving a vehicle is a common error that can lead to dangerous outcomes, underscoring the importance of thorough pre-departure checks. The driver's failure to lower the rear container before leaving the workshop demonstrates the importance of following standard operating procedures to ensure operational safety. The driver executed a U-turn with exceptional precision, showcasing the benefits of skilled maneuvering, while also reminding us that such actions should be performed within safe and legal parameters. The significantly bent utility pole indicates that it has suffered multiple impacts, highlighting the necessity for regular inspections and maintenance of public infrastructure. The severe winds of the storm have caused trees along the street to bend dramatically, serving as a reminder of the powerful effects of extreme weather conditions on our environment. The wheel loader's forceful operation, which cleared obstacles including a stationary white car, illustrates the importance of maintaining a safe distance from heavy machinery in work zones. In the absence of the wall, a landslide could have collided with parked vehicles. The wall's effectiveness in preventing further damage demonstrates the critical role of physical barriers in hazard mitigation.
爷，赶紧回来！爷，赶紧回来！那个铁塔不行，铁塔不行，你回来爷，塔别倒了。
出烟了，
不知道，这一块都就下来了。你往后推推爷，那个铁塔主要是铁塔别让它推倒了。
The truck's undercarriage unexpectedly expelled water on 2 occasions, raising concerns about potential mechanical issues and the importance of thorough vehicle inspections. The truck's dispersal of water, likely coolant, underscores the need for regular checks of the vehicle's cooling system to prevent similar incidents in the future. Despite significant chipping of the excavator's bucket, the operator continued working diligently, demonstrating professionalism and commitment even when facing equipment damage.